Honor phones are trendsetters when it comes to the combo of looks and value for money. Let me remind you, Honor is the company that started trends like blue and glass back phones thanks to its various technologies like multi-layered glass back, visual grating effect, double-sided 2.5D glass, stunning layered nano-etched design, slim integrated design, and last but not the least, patent physical vapor disposition technology craftsmanship frame. Phew, that was just about the designs of Honor smartphones. Now let's talk about the most recent entry to the list of stunningly designed smartphones, the Honor 9N. The most striking aspect of the Honor 9N is its design. The back panel is made of glass and has a glossy finish that looks striking. The horizontal dual camera setup barely protrudes and the back panel looks very clean thanks to the lack of antenna lines and regulatory information. The Honor 9N is available in 4 color variants: lavender purple, black, sapphire blue, robinette blue, which is greenish blue shade that looks fantastic. The 5.84 inches display has a notch at the top which is quite small. The notch is undoubtedly a polarizing design element. Honor 9N runs Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box with Huawei's EMUI 8.0 custom skin on top. EMUI is loaded with a host of nifty features such as Wi-Fi Plus, which automatically switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data depending on which connection is stronger. The built-in messaging app has a useful feature that did a good job of recognizing and filtering out spam messages. You also get several gestures to take a screenshot or use the fingerprint scanner to swipe through photos. Features like Ride Mode, Party Mode and Game Suite add to the functionality of the device. Party Mode lets users connect 7 phones in total to play music in sync. Imagine 7 phones playing same track at the same time. On the imaging front, the Honor 9 features a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor alongside an LED flash. On the front, there is a 16 megapixel sensor. The camera app is quite logically laid out and comes with fully featured Pro mode, which allows users to alter the shutter speed, ISO, exposure, aperture and white balance. AR stickers are a fun and nifty way to kill time and can be used with both the front and the rear cameras. There are 16 effects and 14 backgrounds on and after, and more can be downloaded from Honor's app gallery. The 16 megapixel front camera captures stunning portrait selfies even in low light. Talking about low light, the 4-in-1 light fusion technology helps you to take clear photos with incredible details even in the dark. Honor 9N is powered by Honor's tried and trusted Kirin 659 processor. So how does it fare in the gaming department? I started the gaming performance test by playing popular Asphalt racing game. Asphalt is a good game to start the gaming performance test as it's fairly graphics heavy but not so demanding. In my testing, the game loaded quickly and it played fairly well. Finally, I would say Honor 9N is definitely one of the best smartphones under 15K that sports a vibrant display, a fresh and modern design and a color option as funky as Robinette Blue. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.